Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. So guys, that was a free beat that I'm actually giving out for profit. Free reggaeton beat is fire, isn't it? So yeah, so once you actually download the kit, you'll be in a position to get the beat. So yeah, so you can learn from the mix, or maybe if you just want to sing on it, rap on it as well. So I hope it actually helps you, man. So link in the description down below. So yeah, let's get on to today's business. So the Reggaeton Drumkit. I'm telling you, this kit is crazy, man. So I made this beat using this kit. You can just hear for yourself how the drums are just banging, isn't it? So yeah, so like I'm telling you, this drum kit has everything that you need, as a producer to start making crazy, banging reggaeton beats. Look, I don't want to say my other kits is not as good, but I feel like this is way more better, because I told you, man, things are getting better. So yeah, this is self-explanatory. There's a lot of privilege in this, in this drum kit. So yeah, so I want you to feel that you actually have the right tools for the job before you actually start making the beat. So yeah, so I want you to feel like you actually have the right tools to make, a professional beat. Yeah, so these drums ain't shy, man. So they will finish the job for you. Yeah. So I'm done talking, man. So let's go ahead and see what this kit is all about. Yeah. So, but before we do that, kindly, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So before this, there was a reggaeton drum kit. There was 1, there was a 2, and there was a 3. No, too much, but it's never too much when it comes to music, isn't it? So yeah, so it's all about, it's all about the vibes, man. So I just want to inspire you, man. So let's go ahead and jump straight into this drum kit and see what fire is in here. So I'll be using Contact to demonstrate the midis. So there's like four midis for you here. So to demonstrate the midis, I'll be using, instead of just playing the midis, let's go ahead and remove this since we're done with this. I'll be using one of my drum loops here. So let's see. I remember what tempo this was. So let's say between 50 and 100. 94. Close to the MIDI. So let's go ahead and load up the first MIDI. All right. All right, let's hear it. That was the first MIDI. Let's see the second MIDI. All right, the third MIDI. The last MIDI. So yeah, that's it for the midis, man. Straight up fire. So like, yeah, so not so many midis, but enough to actually, reach out to that drop of inspiration shot of you. So I hope it actually inspires you to start making that crazy beat. So, and you can go as far as, tweaking the midis if you don't like what you hear, it doesn't have to be the same the whole way. So let's go ahead and jump straight to the rest of the stuff. So let's start first with the bass and the 808. So the hats. So the kicks. Yeah, so the open hi-hats. The percussion. So the snaps. The snares. The timpale. So yeah, man, yeah, that's it. That's it for the whole thing, man. That's it for the fire, man. Straight up heat, bro. So yeah, so link in the description down below. Man, I hope this drum kit actually helps you a lot. I hope it changes your, your music production process and elevates you just a little bit higher. So yeah, that's it, man. So I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up my number or my email and we'll talk. So yeah, that's it, man. So enjoy this drum kit. Enjoy the beat, make crazy banging beats with this, and I'ma see you on the next one. Goodbye, namaste, stay safe.